Hello everyone. We have already learnt successor, predecessor, comparison of large numbers, ascending and descending order of large numbers in my previous video. Today we are going to learn how to make greatest and smallest number and rounding up of numbers. Let's start with forming smallest and greatest numbers. As repetition of digits is not allowed, to get the greatest number starting from the left, we write the greatest digit available and follow up with smaller digits successively. In short, to get the greatest number, we arrange the digits in the descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest number. In other side, to get the smallest number starting from the left, we write the smallest digit available and follow up with greater digit successively. In short, to get the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in the ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest numbers. Keeping in mind that we never write 0 in the extreme left position because it's meaningless. So start with the next smallest digit available and next write 0 to it to make the smallest number. Let's write the greatest and the smallest 8-digit numbers without repeating a digit using the given digits. First, arrange the given digits 7, 9, 6, 4, 1, 3, 5 and 8 in descending order. We get 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. So the greatest number is 9 crore 87 lakh 65,431. Similarly, by arranging the given digits in ascending order, we get the smallest number. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the ascending order of that digits. So the smallest number is 1 crore 34 lakh 56,789. Now let's write the greatest and smallest 10-digit number without repeating a digit using the given digits. The digits are 1, 9, 7, 6, 2, 4, 5, 8, 3, 0. Similarly, from the greatest number, we can arrange the digits in descending order. The descending order of these digits is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So, the greatest number is 987 crore 65 lakh 43,210. And for the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. Here, the smallest digit is 0. But we know that we never write 0 in the extreme left position. So start with the next smallest digit, which is 1 here, and write 0 next to it to make the smallest number. So arrange the digits in ascending order 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the smallest number is 102 crore 34 lakh 56,789. Now let's talk about rounding numbers. Okay, when your friend asked you the distance between your house and your school, what would you reply? Your estimated distance can be in meters or kilometers depending on how far your school is. So depending on the requirement, we consider a suitable unit. Mathematically, we call it rounding off to the level of accuracy. Your school may actually be 5 km and 400 meter away, but we can simply say 5 km. So, a number is rounded off to get an approximate number, which means that is to about or close to the exact number. To round off a number to the nearest desired place value, we should consider the digit at the next lower place value and compare it with 5. We observe some rules first. First rule, if the digit at the lower place value is less than 5, we round off the given number by rounding down. Second one, if the digit at the lower place value is equal to or greater than 5, we round off the given number by rounding up. Now let's talk about the examples. Now let's talk about the rounding off to the nearest 10. To round off to the nearest 10, we compare the digit at the ones place with 5. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, we round off the number by replacing the digit in the ones place by 0. And if the digit in the ones place lies from 5 to 9, it means if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, then we round off the number by increasing the digit at tens place by 1 and writing 0 in the ones place. Here we have 3 examples. Our first number is 681. To round off to the nearest 10, we compare the digit at the ones place with 5. So here 1 is in the place of ones. So 1 is less than 5. We know that if the digit at ones place is less than 5, we round off the number by replacing the digit in the ones place by 0, and rest of the digits remain same. So our answer will be 680. Now in second example, 5 is in the place of ones. So 5 is equal to 5. So we know the rule that if the digit in the ones place is equal to 5, then we round off the number by increasing the digit at tens place by 1 and writing 0 in the ones place. So 7 plus 1, 8. So it will be 268, and we replace ones digit with the 0. So our rounded number is 2680. Now our next number is 9869. Here 9 is in the place of ones, and we know that 9 is greater than 5. When ones place digit is greater than 5, we round off the number by increasing the digit at tens place by 1 and writing 0 in the ones place. So here 6 plus 1, 7. So 987, and replace 9 with 0. So our answer will be 9870. Now we'll talk about rounding off to the nearest 100. To round off numbers to the nearest hundred, we compare the digit at the tens place with 5. If the digit in the tens place is less than 5, we replace the digits in the tens and ones places by 2 zeros and rest of the digits remain same. But if the digit in the tens place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, we round off the number by adding 1 to the digit at the hundreds place and writing zeros in the tens and ones place. Let's take an example. Here our first example is 7819. We know that to round off the numbers to the nearest hundred, we compare the digit at the tens place with the 5. So here 1 is in the tens place and 1 is lesser than 5. So if the digit in the tens place is less than 5, we replace the digits in the tens and ones places by 2 zeros. So we replace the digits of ones and tens with the 2 zeros and rest of the digits remain same. So our answer will be 7800, 7800. Our next example is 62452. Here 5 is in the tens place, so 5 is equal to 5. So if the digit in the tens place is equal to 5, we round off the number by adding 1 to the digit at the hundreds place and writing zeros in the tens and ones place. So here hundreds place digit is 4, so 4 plus 1 is 5, so 625, and the tens and ones digit converted into the 2 zeros. So our answer will be 62500. Third example is 76598. Here 9 is in the place of tens and 9 is greater than 5. So if the digit is greater than 5, then we round off the number by adding 1 to the digit at the hundreds place and writing zeros in the tens and ones place. So here 5 is in the hundreds place, so 5 plus 1, 6. So 766, and tens and ones digit replace with the 2 zeros. So our answer will be 76600. Now let's talk about rounding off to the nearest thousand. To round off numbers to the nearest thousand, we compare the digit at hundreds place with 5. If the digit in the hundred place is less than 5, we replace the digits in the hundreds, tens and ones places by 3 zeros. And if the digit in the hundreds place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then we round up the number by adding 1 to the thousands place and writing zeros in the hundreds, tens and ones places. Let's understand with the example. Here our first example is 78432. So 4 is in the hundreds place and 4 is less than 5. So if the digits at the hundreds place is less than 5, then we replace the digits in the hundreds, tens and ones places by 3 zeros and rest of the digits remain same. So the answer will be 78000. Now talk about the second example, 235 684. Here 6 is in the hundreds place. So 6 is more than 5, or you can say greater than 5. So if the digits in the hundred place greater than 5, then we round up the number by adding 1 to the digit at the thousands place. So here 5 is in the thousands place. So 5 plus 1, 6, and rest of the 3 places, hundreds, tens and ones, will be 0. So our answer will be 236000. Our next example is 14513. Here 5 is in the place of hundreds. So 5 is equal to 5. So when it is equal to 5, then we round up the number by adding 1 to the digit at the thousands place. So here 4 is in the thousands place. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 1, 5, and rest of the digits converted into the zeros. So our answer will be 15000. This is all about how to round up the numbers. So students, in this video we learn how to form greatest and smallest digit number without repetition of the digits and how to round off the numbers. I hope you understand it. If you have any doubt, please write in a comment section. Thank you.